Yo, what up guys, sorry I haven't posted lately, I've been very busy. I don't know what my dog's doing, he's playing with my light. Little weirdo. Yeah, I've got a couple of videos coming in the next couple of days. This one my BMX sponsors have asked me to do. It's just a quick bike check on what I'm running at the moment and things that are coming up. So yeah, I've also got a frame giveaway on my old We the People versus frame. So if you want a chance of winning that, stay tuned. It'll be at the end of this video. Tomorrow's video will be a bit different to what I'm doing. I'm going to view a car. I've viewed a few, and it's one car in particular that I'm looking at. Depending on which one I purchase out of the 5 I've test drove, links to the other 4 will be in the description. So if you're interested in that model car, there will be links of where you can purchase one from. A good price, low mileage, and a good year. So yeah, I hope you enjoy this video, and let's jump into it. Right, my sponsors have asked me to do a bike check. I don't know why, but yeah. So currently I'm running. I picked this frame up Saturday night. I actually sprayed it on Sunday and built it up Sunday night. So I had time to cure. I haven't lacquered it yet, but I haven't rode it because the weather's been pretty shit. But I'm currently running the BSD WZA frame, and it's a 20.6 top tube. So it's a short back end to my We the People. But if you look at it, it's actually a custom spray job. It's ardent blue, like VXR, like the VXR range Vauxhall do. Obviously I can't give you my thoughts on the frame because I haven't ridden it yet. I've just rode around on it, made sure it's dialed, and that's it. I've done no tricks on it yet. Let's move on to the forks. I'm currently running the 2014 Federal Liquids. Again, they were originally chrome red, but I've sprayed them gloss. No, it's meant to be matte black, but they look gloss. Don't know why. I've had these for, again, like I said, a few years now. 2014, so yeah, 4 years. And I cannot fault them. I brought them from Chain Reaction Cycles. And yeah, let's move on to the bars. I actually got these. I swapped these with a friend. I had them in black. But these are the Fit Benny L's from when Benny L was riding with Fit. I can't fault them, to be fair. They're strong, they're reliable, they handle the force if you're doing tricks flat. The only thing I don't like is there's no flex, but what you expect with 4-piece bars. My grips are ODI long necks. I like them just because sometimes I hold my bars there and they give me the ultimate grip. I found they're better than waffles. So yeah, I got an Animal front load. I don't know if you can see the logo. Yeah. Again, I got that off a friend. I've had that for a few years. BSD headset to go with the frame. My front wheel, it's a United Supreme hub laced to a Cinema rim and with Primo spokes. I've got a Federal front peg. So moving down, my cranks are Blank Generation. I've had these for about 5 years and I can't fault them. I've had no issues, nothing. So if you're looking for a cheap set of cranks, I highly recommend Blank on the cranks, just because I haven't had an issue. I got a Shadow 28, I think it's 27 or 28 tough sprocket with firm light pedals. I won them in a competition, and I can't fault them again. I got BSD bottom bracket. My seats then a BSD fat seat and an animal seat post. The seat post actually came with the frame. Obviously I haven't got a seat clamp, so that came in handy. It's a self clamping post. Then if I move down, so if I get in the way of the light, there is a little dent there. That's the only mark on the frame. Then I've got another federal peg. I've got a Shadow Raptor 3 coaster in polished, Primo spokes, laced to a Shadow rim. Both wheels I built up myself, and the front one is a little true, the back one's true. So yeah, again, if you look for a hub set and a wheel build set, I'd go with that pair. Just my opinion. Tyres though, tyre wise, these I've never ridden S&M tyres until I brought these, and I don't think I'd run anything other than S&M tyres now. If you got other opinions, let me know. But these are the S&M 2.4 speed balls, and they grip anything, wood, tarmac, concrete, you name it, they'll grip it. So right, that's pretty much it for my bike check, and let's get on to the so guys, here it is. It's my 2014 Weave the People Versus. I've owned this frame for about a year, and to be fair, it's one of the best frames I've ever ridden. It has got a lot of marks on it, but before I give it away, well, before I send it off to the winner, I'm going to sand it down and respray it whatever colour the winner wants it at. Apart from rainbows, I'm useless. So yeah, let's get on to how you can win it. What I want you to do is, as soon as I hit 100 subscribers on YouTube and 1,000 followers on Instagram, I'll be picking a winner. But to be within a chance, I want you to comment on a photo I'm going to upload in a minute on Instagram. But I also want you to comment on the YouTube video your opinion of why you should win this frame, and I will ship, once I've picked a winner, I'll be shipping the frame out within a few days. Obviously after spraying it and that, you'll be getting my seat post with it, my animal seat post, and the chain will come with it, because I've got no use for the chain, because I'm running a new cult chain. So yeah, all you need to do is obviously subscribe to me on YouTube, comment on this video, and then follow me on Instagram and comment on my Instagram photo. That's all I'm asking. I will pick a winner as soon as I've hit 100 followers on 100 subscribers and 1,000 followers on Instagram. So yeah, until then, until that, I won't know what I'm doing with the frame. If there is going to be a winner, we'll find out. But my sponsors asked me to do something, so I'm delivering what they wanted. Like I said, tomorrow's video I'm going to be viewing a car, so I hope you tune in for that. And until next time guys, peace.